It's Mercury to Skype, and in today's episode, we're gonna talk about how to clean your engagement ring, or how to clean your wedding jewelry, or how to clean any of your jewelry in gold or platinum. For years, this question have been floating around the market, and you know that I am a big fan of being easy, minimalistic, and natural. There are a couple of ways to clean your engagement rings and wedding bands and all your jewelry that are super simple. Way number one, soap and water. We all have that at home. Any soap, you can use either a bar or you can use liquid soap. Does not matter. As long as you take an old brush or get some kind of brush your rings, then just wash them, pat them dry, and you should be fine. If you do this on an ongoing basis, in fact, you can do it in a shower, especially if it's your wedding ring and your engagement ring. Get a little brush in the shower once you're washing yourself. Wash your rings, very simple. I have a little brush in my shower, and that takes care of the ordeal. It's just like anything else, you just wash it all the time. Now, for all those that want to get fancy, yes, you can buy those jars. There are plenty of them online. We sell them as well. They're called jewelry cleaners. There's ones for silver and ones for gold or platinum. You can use those. They are sometimes good, sometimes not as good. I find that some are good, some are not. If you want to experiment, get one of those jars and see if that will do the trick for you. Honestly, the soap and water works just like them. I know some people think that they are better. I don't know if it's psychological or not. I haven't noticed a lot of difference. Unless, of course, it's an old ring and you wear it here and there. But then again, if it's an old ring and you wear it here and there, then one of these jars will not help you anyway. You would have to get it professionally cleaned, and that's the biggest thing. In my opinion, soap and water works just fine on any of your jewelry, and it's safe because a lot of the times I had clients who had different stones in their rings, and they would put it in one of those jewelry cleaner boxes, and the stones would have problems, loss of color, some imperfections. That can happen. So please be careful with those jewelry boxes. If your jewelry is just gold, then it's really not a problem at all because gold jewelry is simple, or silver jewelry without any stones is super simple. If it's just diamonds and gold or diamonds and silver, also super fine because diamonds are fine. They can withstand a lot more. So that's not a problem for them. Any of the chemicals are not a problem for diamonds. But if it has different gemstones, be very careful with your jewelry and how you clean it. With the soap and water, it's just super safe because with the soap and water, nothing can really happen even to the gemstones. So I really recommend that way. Or on contrary, I have a lot of my clients who are just, super meticulous about their jewelry. So they just come once a year and clean it professionally. That's also fine because that gives me the opportunity to clean them, to repair if needed, to see if there's any claw missing. Because if you wear something all the time, remember, it's just like a car. You still have to maintain it. No matter how good of a quality the jewelry piece is, if you wear it all the time, like I have some of my clients who wear their bracelets all the time, they bang it all the time too. Like they literally bang it everywhere. So once a year, I still have to check if there's any claw missing, if there's something wrong with some of the diamonds that need to be just tightly squeezed a little more because you wear it every day, things are gonna happen. So 100% I recommend going to your jeweler once a year, once in a year and a half, and just going through maintenance for your jewelry, especially the ones that you wear all the time. That's my 5 cents on this topic. It's Mercury to Skype, and I hope you learned something new. I'll see you in the next one.